Hi there, hope you're doing good. So here I am with the demo and the suggestion as well. So when I was trying to calculate the cost of the printing as per your requirement, I found out a thing where these are the quantities. So yeah, there are two things. One is that we don't need this heading again and again because I think the paper size is all same for all of the weights. So we can always skip this row. And then I have used the exact data validations in here to figure out which weight you are trying to select. Okay, so the point I want to discuss here is that the whole point is that which price to be used to calculate the total price when the quantity is in between the limits. Like for example, this is a huge limit of 2,500. So for example, if someone is selecting printing of 3,000 papers, which price to be used, either 155 or 295. So there are two models. One, you can say at the higher model, which always allows that okay, from 0 to 50 pieces it will always take the $35, which we can say here. Like for example, if someone is selecting 40 pieces, so it will take the $1.3 per piece for the paper size of 6 by 11. So the model says any quantity between 0 to 50 will be using $35. Between 50 to 100 it will take like 51 to 100 it will take 45, 101 to 250 it will take 55, from 251 to 500 it will take 75, and so forth and so on. So this one you can always call the higher side model. So any quantity increasing this limit, which is 50. For example, if the quantity is 51, so it will take the 100 this price, $45 instead of 35. So even one piece increases the limit. So this is the higher side. The second module is here. You can always say that not for this one particularly, but we can understand that pricing thing in here. For example, if we are using 500 printing quantities, let me test it here. So it says that we have 6 by 11 of 80 pounds, 6 by 11 of 80 pound, which says 125, which is this one. So yeah, that's perfect. So this one will be used, 125 will be used, and the per piece price will be $0.25, and so forth and on. Now if someone is selecting not 500 but 540, so as soon as the 40 increases, which one to use, either the 1000, which is $95, or 70. So I have the second module says that if the quantity is going above the leverage is of 50. So if quantity is going up to 40, it will still take the $70 price. Sorry, not the $70 price, the $125 price. But you can see here, I'll change it. So if I'll take 550, that will take 548. It is still taking the $125, which is this price within 500 limit. But if it will go to 550, it will take the next price. Sorry, which is this one. 6 by 11. Okay, I need to shift it. So now it's taking the 160. It should take this column, but I'll consider this one. So it is taking now $160 instead of 125. So it's giving the leverage of 50 pieces above the limit. Similarly for this one, for example, if we have 1000, so yeah, that's good. If we have 1000, it's taking the 1000, which is this one, this price. But if I'll go 1050, it will, let me take 49. Now you can see the 49 pieces above 1000, it is still taking the $160. But as soon as it will go above 1050, which is above the limit of leverage of 50 pieces, it will go to the next pricing. So this is a second module to calculate the price. Please let me know which one to use, the higher one or the 50 leverage, or you want to increase the leverage of maybe, or you want to decrease the leverage of 20 or maybe 100. But if you are decreasing the leverage, that might affect in between in here. So what this will allow, so anything between 250, 300 to 350, it will take this price. But above 300, yeah, above 300, it will take this price. So I hope I have explained it so that you can understand. Please let me know which model to use, the higher one or the 50 leverage. Thank you.